This guide will help you enable the server timeout for GTA 5 to 2025. Follow these steps to adjust the settings effectively. Step 1. Access the game settings. Launch GTA 5 and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the settings option to access the game configuration. Step 2. Open the online settings. Once in the settings menu, look for the online tab. Click on it to access the online gameplay settings where you can adjust server options. Step 3. Locate timeout settings. Within the online settings, search for the server timeout options. This may be listed under advanced settings or network settings depending on your version of the game. Step 4. Adjust the timeout value. Change the server timeout value to 2025. Make sure to input the correct number and confirm the changes to ensure they are saved. Step 5. Save and exit. After adjusting the timeout value, save your changes. Exit the settings menu and restart the game to apply the new server timeout setting. By following these steps, you should successfully enable the server timeout for GTA 5 to 2025. Enjoy your gaming experience.